Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something super close to my heart, my top 3 creative hobbies that keep me inspired, grounded, and totally in love with life. Whether you're looking for a new passion or just curious, stick around, you might just find your next obsession. First up, watercolor painting. There's something magical about watching colors bleed into each other. It's meditative, expressive, and honestly, you don't need to be a pro to enjoy it. I started with a basic set and some YouTube tutorials, and now it's my go-to for unwinding after a long day, whether it's landscapes, abstract art, or just doodling. Watercolor lets you play with imperfection, and that's the beauty of it. Next is creative writing and journaling. I use it to explore ideas, vent emotions, and even write short stories. It's like therapy, but with a pen. Sometimes I write poetry. Sometimes I just brain dump my thoughts. Either way, it helps me stay connected to myself. And if you're into storytelling, writing can be a gateway to screenplays, novels, or even content creation. Last but not least, DIY filmmaking and video editing. This hobby turned into a passion project, and eventually this channel. I love capturing moments, adding music, and telling stories visually. It's a mix of creativity and tech, and it's incredibly rewarding. Even simple vlogs or travel montages can become cinematic with the right touch. And trust me, the learning curve is part of the fun. So there you have it, my top 3 creative hobbies that keep me sane, inspired, and constantly growing. If any of these sparked your interest, drop a comment below and let me know which one you'd try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more creative content. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.